Hi, I'm Michael Warshauer. Today I want to talk to you about the interplay between the criminal system and the civil system as it relates to car wrecks. So let's first start with the criminal system. The criminal system relates to whether or not someone has violated a law and somehow harmed the state. So if you speed, you violated a law and you've harmed the peace of the state, I guess, by driving too fast and perhaps unsafely. The civil system revolves around settling disputes between people. So let's put this in the context of a car wreck. Let's assume that Joe is driving and is hit by Bill. Bill runs a red light and in the process of doing so hits Joe. So there's two things going to happen here. One is Bill might find himself having some problems with the criminal system in that he could be charged with reckless driving, failure to yield the right of way, running a red light, perhaps speeding, maybe he didn't have his headlights on. A variety of different things could be charged against Bill. Now, that doesn't help Joe because Joe's hurt. The fact that the state wants Bill to pay a bunch of fines simply doesn't help Joe and his family at all. So Joe's remedy is the civil system. Joe can sue Bill, and hopefully Bill has insurance, but if he doesn't, he could have uninsured coverage provided by Joe's own policy. So Joe sues Bill for damages. And Joe says, well, Bill was charged with all of these charges. Surely I'm going to win the case. Well, let's assume that Bill goes to traffic court and he's found guilty. Well, if he's found guilty, that doesn't come into evidence in the civil case. Now let's change the facts a little bit. And the reason is because it's a different standard, different witnesses, and that's just one of the rules of evidence. Let's change the facts a little bit. Bill goes to traffic court and he pleads guilty. He says, yes, I ran the red light. Yes, I failed to yield the right of way. Yes, I was driving too fast for conditions. All of that can be used in Joe's civil case that he's brought against Bill to prove that Bill was careless, negligent, and that Bill owes Joe money for his damages. Now let's take a third scenario. Bill goes to traffic court and he's found innocent. Just didn't do anything wrong, the jury says. How does that affect Joe's case? Well, it doesn't. Because just as Bill's guilty verdict won't come into evidence, neither does the finding that he is innocent. The reason, again, is different standards of care, different standards of proof is what I mean, different witnesses, etc. So, the fact that Bill is found guilty or innocent doesn't affect our ability to prove Joe's case. The fact that he's charged or not charged, while it helps us a little bit from a psychic point of view, it's nice to know the policeman agrees that Bill did something wrong. From a civil point of view, we really don't need it. It doesn't affect our case. And so what I encourage you to do is just because the policeman chose to charge someone or chose not to charge someone is no reason for you not to call and get the advice of counsel as to whether you can and should pursue your civil case against the person that you believe caused your injuries. If you have any questions about car wrecks, we're here to help. We handle serious car wrecks. Unfortunately, we are not really set up to handle minor wrecks, but we can point you to people who are. But if it's involved in a serious wreck, whether someone's been charged with a crime or not, we're still more than happy to give you the answers you need. Give us a call. We're here to help. It's what we do. Thanks.